We at CR Kennedy, in partnership with Westgold, have been working closely with the survey team to improve safety throughout all their sites with the rollout of the Exyn Nexys autonomous flight system. Underground gold mining, by nature, is an inherently dangerous exercise, but through technology and training, we can mitigate risks and improve efficiency. CR Kennedy, with a passion for quality, we ensure all our users are personally trained to the highest standards. We take the time to go to each site to ensure all users are run through a full theory course of the system, going over each individual component, catering for an in-depth understanding of the system to guarantee the Exyn Nexys is used as safely as possible.
And I find believe the intensity.
Once accomplished, the team travels underground to put the theory into practice. Traditional survey being one of the most dangerous jobs underground, with surveyors constantly just behind the bund scanning the stope with a CMS. This is exactly what Westgold wants to change.
We can now pick that up.
The Exyn Nexys is a fully autonomous flight system, allowing us to fly as far back from the brow as needed. Not only is the system safer than traditional methods, the data can be captured in a fraction of the time.
It just populates around it and it's just visualization.
Users plan a mission, a dragging waypoints, and an explore volume where they'd like the drone to collect data. The Exyn Nexys has the highest level of autonomy in the UAV market, level 4B. This system can think and navigate by itself. The Exyn can filter and fly through dust while maintaining a safe distance from all nearby obstacles. Once the stope is fully explored, the Exyn will return home safely to the user. All processing and georeferencing is done on the supplied tablet. It can even be completed before returning to the surface. The data the drone collects adds additional levels of safety to the mine by allowing engineers to make more informed decisions faster. In partnership with Westgold, CR Kennedy is helping progress the safe and efficient future of underground surveying. For more information, please reach out to your local CR Kennedy branch.